Nah, man. I mean, that's part of the show, man. You gotta throw enough shit against the wall to see what sticks. All right? These people don't gotta know the difference, man. Shit. They don't know that I'm not getting any fucking views. But hey, man, as long as you wait, what? Oh shit, it's recording, man. Anyway, what's up, everybody? I don't even know. Oh yeah, SpongeBob. Hey, SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
I love opening presents.
Terrible jokes. Terrible. Just terrible. Terrible jokes, man. Welcome back to the Terrible Joke Show. I'm the host. I don't know. I'm the host, the Accordion Hero. My name's the Accordion Hero. Hey, everybody. Welcome to my show. This robot won't know where to hit him until he... Bam. You know what I'm saying? Hey, everybody. I am Sponge. I'm doing something that you won't know, that you cannot touch. Wait, what? Hey, everybody. I am the Sponge. I got something that you cannot touch. It's my brain and my mind. You cannot touch my brain or my mind. The fuck's that even mean, man? I don't know. Oh shit! Watch out! Those are bombs. Hold up. I need a drink of water, man. I need a drink of water, man. Hold up. All right. Are we go? Are we good here? Are we good here? Yes, we are. We're very good here, man. Very good. Very good indeed. We're very good indeed. All right, let's see. Oh shit!
Just met the Sponginator.
You just met the Sponginator. I'll be back. Oh shit, man! And I'll be Mozart.
I feel like a new sponge.
Mm-hmm.
Cha-ching!
How am I gonna get there, man? Dum 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 dum. I'm playing a game that nobody knows anything about because I'm playing the game. I'm playing the game. I'm playing the game that nobody knows because nobody even cares. Nobody knows and nobody cares. What am I doing now? Shit, man. Shit. 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 This game, bro, I'm going in circles because this game has me going in circles. Dude, what am I supposed to do with that thing, man? Oh, just hit it, bro. Alright, take it easy, man. Just take a deep breath and chill out. And chill out, man. Just chill out.
Fresh like a spring breeze.
How am I supposed to get up there? Oh, I think with that maybe.
There's nothing like the smell of bubbles in the morning.
There we go. Texas! Oh! This is another sandy level. Yes, sirritos are open. Everybody knows about the bird because the bird. A bird is a word, a bird, More airheads, everybody. More airhead tongues. Oh, that last episode, I'm gonna name it Airhead Tongues. Airhead tongues. They got airhead tongues, bro. They got airhead tongues, and everybody thinks that nobody can tell me anything because they got airhead tongues and everybody stinks. I'm over here destroying the tikis.
Time for a little sleepy sneak.
Can I go in front of him and just bam? Well, that's pretty easy, huh? Got airhead tongues and everybody knows that everybody stinks because you are a dodo bird and a dodo beard. Everybody knows about you, man. Dodo bird, I'm gonna call this dude. What is a dodo bird? Dodo birds went extinct hundreds of millions of years ago, and nobody knows where they went to, but they're just not here anymore. Yeah, look, they got airhead tongue. Alright, anyway, why dodo birds? Why? They say that animals that were here once, they're just not here anymore. Yeah, animals that were here once, they're just not here anymore. For some reason. They didn't kill them all. Hey, George Carlin much? George Carlin said that you're good. Shut the fuck up. Dodo birds. What about boobies? Boobies are still around. They've been around for centuries, and nobody knows where they came from. They're just here, running around. Well, not here, buddy. Here. Not here, but I mean here on Earth, you know. How do you know that? There's videos, there's documents. Like the pyramids. Who built the pyramids? I built the pyramids with my pinky toe. Who built the pyramids? Who built the pyramids? Who built the Statue of Liberty? Who built this? Who built that? Who built the first video game? Your mom. Shut up now. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna destroy this. Bam!
Love opening presents.
Destroying things. Not really doing much but 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 destroying things. You may teleport a box once both of them are open. Wait, how did this thing open? I didn't even see it open. Did you see it open? I don't know. Did you see it open? I don't remember. Don't ask me, shoot. I don't know. Yeah, dodo birds. This episode, I'm gonna call this episode Dodo Birds. Up for a game of SpongeBob. Yes, I am. I did it, everybody. Hey, everybody. Oh, shit. Ah. Oh, yes. Uh-oh. Should've just... Ah. Alright. Jesus, bro. Jeezy crazy. Comedians. Why are you referencing comedians, bro? That is not your kind. You can't be saying that. You can't be saying that because other people are saying that. Those are not your words. That's how copyright works. Does it? Nah, it doesn't even work, man. Hold up, man. Let me just pass this level. Hold up. Trying to figure this out. Oh, look. I could just sneak over here, bro. Oh. Hold on. I could just sneak around, bro. Look. No, you can't. Oh, look, it's right there, bro. I don't know. Pause the episode. Shut up.